Anyways, guys. I told you I want a neon legendary. No, I told you I want a neon legendary. Let's check this girl. Yeah, no. Okay. So this girl has a neon legendary to give me. Bruh. Sure. So guys, today I got the golden egg, and for this golden egg, I am going to try to get literally anything I want. So let's see how this goes in today's episode of Katrina Does Weird Flipping Things for YouTube. But it's just video games, so you're gonna survive through it and not shed a tear throughout this video. I mean, if you play Adopt Me, then you're gonna shed a tear throughout this video. Like, you can't tell me you're not. It's cause these trades are gonna be incredibly bad and painful to look at. Okay, so as you can see, this person is offering, yeah, that's way under. Sorry, I know you're offering a legendary, but no. Like, no. No. Okay, let's check this girl. Okay, kitten, we've been through this. I don't want it. No matter what you change about the trade, if it's not something I like, I am not going to accept. That's just facts. Like, I gotta hop servers, man. This. I'm gonna leave the server. Because this one sucks. Oh my god. One more trade. No. I'm gonna leave. Okay. Now, we have left No. It's not luck. It's work. Work. Yeah, so the reason why these eggs are so rare is people work really hard to get them. So, like, I don't really want to do it. A rude lady. A rude lady. Okay. I told everyone I was gonna leave the server. But for 4 albino monkeys, that's not even a good offer. This thing is technically worth your dad's big apartment building. But in Adopt Me. Your Adopt Me, Dad. It's worth more than your rent in Adopt Me, as one may say. This sucks. I want to get a good... No. These people's trades, they're suck. And there's no rare pets within this whole thing. I'm leaving. I'm done with this horrible server and its lack of ability to do anything. A new person, a new trade that isn't the same person. You know, how wonderful. Let's just... Here, I'll show her. Sorry to break it to you, but I got to. And plus, that's still way undertreated. What does she think? I'm gonna accept or something? I'm declining. Idiot. Okay, no offense to anyone. It is not to be mean. It is that in my brain, I'm thinking, I would be an idiot if I accepted this trade. Okay? Listen, that is why. This is so annoying. People are being so annoying. God. Also, guys, wish me luck on getting the the diamond egg. Because, you know, I have a feeling I can get it kind of fast, and I might be one of the first, but not the first. No, I want to get some rare things for it. No, I want to get some rare things for it. I want to hatch it, but at the same time I don't. Here, let's see what this person has to offer. Man. Bruh. This is a bad offer. Bruh, no. Stop offering me golden apples. Okay. Guys, if any of you start like a trend where in the comments you ask to trade, but then you just offer me really bad stuff, or like just all 4 of the golden apple and trying to scam me, I will attack you. It's not luck, it's a lot of work. It's not luck, it's a lot of work. I don't... Okay. Okay, well. I'm recording. recording for a trading video. I'm recording for a trading video. You is in it. You is in it. You is in it. But well, have a nice day. Here, wait. What was her username? She seemed nice. Where is she? Momojo. So wait, let's catch this right here on camera. Here, wait. She didn't know how to like respond, so I'm guessing here's her username right here. That's for future me, so I can friend her, possibly, or at least follow her. Because, like, I follow anybody I kind of acquaint with. Please help, I am poor and mom and dad left me. Bro, you're in someone's stroller and that name of yours absolutely sucks, okay? Not music to my eyes or ears. Because I don't like it. Anyways, let's rejoin a server, because this one sucks. Ah! I just about hit my kneecaps. So I'm... Just... Ow! Ow! Sorry, I keep hitting my knees on the desk. I have a camera in my bag, but I do not want to use it because I can't transfer it to my computer that I'm playing on right now. Ever. Without my dad's help or my mom's help. Yeah. So annoyed. Why is this not working? It won't load. Great, we're teleporting it soon. We're on the same server. We gotta go server searching. I didn't think we would have to do this. But we do. We really do. Isn't that just swell? Nice. It absolutely sucks. It's not swell. Thanks. Okay. Oh my god. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna freak out. Completely and utterly. Like, no question. You know, guys, I'll just see you in the next episode of Cat trying to trade her golden egg for a totally absurd amount of rare things. Let me know what you think was the best offer in this video, cause I want to know. And like, put your votes in. Like, which one was the best, or do you think I should have accepted the albino monkeys? Cause I could have added like a dragon or something. And, like, finesse my way into getting it. But, like, yeah. Either way, I'm totally overpaying. And quite frankly, that is how it works. Anyways, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And just, go watch the second